Welcome back to my series on Urdu. This is a follow-up on my video number 5 on the Urdu sound kha, written with the letter khe. Many common Urdu names have the sound kha. Urdu poet Khumar Barabankwi, Bollywood musician Khayyam, and famous poet and musician Amir Khusro. This sound also appears in the word khana kharab. Tapkega lohu aur mere deed-e tarse, dhadkega dile khana kharab aur zyada. Khana kharab here means a devastated heart. This sound appears in words of Perso-Arabic origin. But then what about words such as khachar, patakha, and chatkhara? These words are not of Arabic or Persian origin. They come from Sanskrit. Yet they have the sound kha. It is actually rare to have a word that has the sound ta from Sanskrit and kha from Arabic. That is why when you open an Urdu dictionary with the letters te and khe together, you will only find a handful of words. Only 5 words with te and khe, and only 2 with khe and che. So how did this marriage between Sanskrit and Arabic happen? Well, this happened because of the high prestige of Urdu and Persian words. The pronunciation of kha in these words began as a mistake. People wrongly thought that the words had kha, the prestigious sound, instead of ka, which is the actual sound in these words. With passage of time, the wrong pronunciation became correct. And today we have patakha, khachar, and chatkhara. Isn't that a beautiful example of linguistic cross-fertilization? Watch my next video on the sound qa, 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 qa. Keep your throat clear and ready for it.